Hello everyone, what's up? Today I know my channel YouTube and most of my personal life and online things changed, but I'm keep making mods for Call of Duty World at War because that's making me happy. So let's go. Wait. What was the comment? Long time I didn't really get into it, but it was Moscow front. Wait, no, I don't remember. I should. No. Okay. We're going to go this one. This one is no, not this one. Wait, this one is the newest one I'm working on. It's already almost finished, and it will get published really soon. I know I've made this 4 things plus the bonus. This 5 with this on within less than 2 months, but my life get kinda weird this last time, so this one took almost half a year to make because I was not really active. But I'm going to show you this. Okay, let's go. Moscow. Div from the series Diversant. That's from grandfather history during World War II. So this is I'm making a custom campaign for basing on his history letters he wrote to my great grandmother. Some things I kinda made up, like Easter eggs and everything, but most of the things here are true and detailed. But I sometimes get to make other things. I'm going directly to put myself into demigod because sometimes it's difficult and I just don't want to play it right now. I just want to show you. So yeah, basically, if you remember the last level, yeah, it's kind of lagging, but wait, let me show you with the no clip. With the no clip, so this is the spawn. We spawn in the middle of the forest. So we are going through this first. But if you remember, last time, I'm showing with my finger, but I forgot. You can't see me. The last level was killing the Nazi soldiers, the SS, from DP-28 from here, this bunker. But since we moved on now, we are supposed to get here now. So wait. Okay, here it is. Let's go forward now. Yeah, I don't know how to remove the American gun, but since it's default I can't. So yeah, we go from here. So let's go show you how it's. It was the only first one. You can have amounts of weapons here and not really decorated some kind of shit here, but I'm not going to fix it since I have to go further in my life and in this project. Yeah, here it's really hard, but it is made for challenge. Here it's super hard because that's why I'm in demigod mode right now, because here it's really the hardest point to get with T1. Yeah, if you ask why I'm not dying, it's because I'm in demigod. You can, yeah, it's kinda cheating, but it's me who created the map, and I just want to use the team. So I made it, not you go took them out, you're supposed to kill. Just, you know, these gameplays are just killing. I don't think they're just killing. Just kill people who tried this map say that it was good, so all you have to do is to kill these yablans and it is done. When it's done. Okay, and when it is done, actually I suggest you to change this American shit gun and into copy. Wait, where is the last? He's guys. Behind the tent. Yeah, and here it will be super hard as well, because you see here you are getting shot. This is what my great grandfather passed when he was on way to Belarus. I mean, but still in Moscow battle, outside Moscow. He had to go through all this shit, and in the later, to my Christian Mortal, he wrote that he was alone for a while, surviving because his mates were dead. But I don't know if it was that epic as I am describing it, because this is kind of much my fantasies making in the game, but in real life during his battle, I don't know what he had to live through, but I doubt it was that kind of epic, because this is a game, and in real life I doubt you can survive most of this shit. But yeah, but he survived it. He came back to her, and that's how I finished it to be born. Yeah, this is kind, by the way, a problem. You see this car, you're supposed to go through this way, but I don't know how to script it, so you get into the right, you see, here you drive like a retard, but they don't know how to make it properly. But yeah, try to drive, and if you are not must to use it, by the way, it's as you wish. But then you try to follow the road, and then you get at this. See the Soviet Union soldiers camp getting attacked by the German soldiers. Yeah, you know what? To go faster, you also can do this, since in this part you're kinda invincible, which is not realistic. Yeah, we crush around. Yeah, we got him. Sorry for being silent, just concentrating, because it's lagging a lot, and yeah, the map is sometimes not really detailed, you see here, but now it's dead. I'm not going to finish this. Yeah, and here are our allies died. You enter the village, the camp, and here you have some guys who came out from here. But don't mind them, continue further. You have this kind of Russian toilets. Yeah, but it's supposed to be just a hole, but yeah, it is more proper like this. Yeah, we have the Chive here. And if you want to get new other guns, you can get it here, like PSH, Mosins, Sniper Mosins, SVD, helmets, but you can't use them. DP28, I think I'm going to take it. By the way, I'll just take a normal PKSH, and the MP40, yeah, I'm going to stay with it. Then you are supposed to go further here, forward, I mean. And then all these guys from there, they will come to follow you. Also the Chive, and here they wait. They actually are supposed to wait. Yeah, I know it's right and Reznov, because it's a small Easter egg. Since this battle happened before the Stalingrad in 1941, so Reznov is here before going to Stalingrad, and then all these are just random dudes. I gave random family names. This guy here, he will be a main character through the next levels, but right now you are just not supposed to know him yet. Yeah, and here the Chive. Then you are supposed to go just throughout this mountain, these collides. When you are here, wait, when you are here, I say. But yes. Yeah. No, never mind. They are coming. They are coming. when they are here, you see sometimes just really, I should have made efforts, you know, but I was, it was a, yeah, when I made this map, it was a weird times in my life, and when I started to make other weird times in my life, that's why I was not really active on Call of Duty mapping and modding, because this was the last things I was thinking of in my life, because yeah, it was kind of weird times, relationship and money and all this shit that happens in life made me being really late for this project I promised since a long time. Then you go further, yeah, forget what I say, you go further with your mates, and here, just, yeah, I forgot I had this. Sadly no sound from it, I don't know why, I don't know how to fix it. Maybe because it's a multiplayer weapon, but then I don't know how to. Ai, блять. Oh no. Ai, блять. Imagine being at his place, блин. Not like this. Yeah, here is the biggest problem is here. Sometimes Ian, they keep killing poor guys. Fucking Germans get died. Like you can actually mount on this. I think it's an Opel or something, but yeah, if you get on it, then you have. Yeah, they know they are dead. You see here, for example, so much shit. It's just a small detail, you know, but. Блять, I was, yeah, don't mind. It looks super cringe, but, yeah. When you go here, then, the problem is that these guys on the colline, sometimes they are hard to kill, but then you go here, you see the small town and the lake, and behind it there's supposed to be Moscow. In real life, I didn't make it in the game, but in real life, behind this you have Moscow. So yeah, we go here. Here it is fucking pizda. You see here, you have, how to say, because look, I explain. When you go here, you have here people who wait you, but at the same time, you are supposed to take this. Yeah, you see what I was talking about. These guys are shooting at you. At the same time, you are at the same time supposed to. At the same time, you are supposed to cover your comrades that are here. You see, you have people here. This is an Easter egg for a friend as well. For his great grandfather, also for Moscow, I think. But yeah, you have to cover them. Shit, he's dead. Because you know it's very difficult to cover your friends because you have this one here. But yeah, it's super hard. See here, there. I don't know why, but not here. Here. They're supposed to be German people. Yeah, but you have to kill these ones. Блять, long time no play this. Yeah, you see. No, блять. Yeah. Okay. Then you have to get these bastards here. Yeah, it's a bastard. Yes! Got him. Next. Yeah. This one next. Oppa. No, we got him! Yes! I think we got them all. That's base, perfect. No, we didn't have them all. Because I got shot. I don't know by who. Yeah, never mind. Anyways, we are going to contour all this beach and go into the city town. The small town. So we are supposed to go here next. Kill this ебалан, блять. We continue with how much we are still. Makarov, Margunov, Grigoriev and Reznov and Pechenyov. Yeah, here you see they are afraid because we are poking shots, you know. Блять, no more ammo. Hey, what I'm doing? Блять, я ему ебала, The most hard thing is that you have shit cover on your side. It's difficult. So even if you play on easy level, you will focus really good. So hit him. Okay, so how much we left? Five people. Yeah, Pechenyov is alive too. And we go here. No one. They are spawned already. Yeah, and here we continue here. I suggest here to use the snipe. For this is the type by his uniform. You should see this is the type of the SS. Opa! And here the small bastards shot them up. Ah, he's dead. Let's go. Yeah, you see here the uniform. No. Here you have this small SS uniform, and here you have the type with the Nazi armband. Yeah, we go forward. And I see Pechenyov is still alive. Yes, amazing. Okay, when you get here, it's really lagging, блять, because too much trees, too much soldiers, too much things, and my PC is not enough power to handle this. Once you get this, ебланс, it like that. Oppa. Next. One shot. Ah, yeah. Next. I knew someone shot at me here. When I was on this. When I was here. I told you someone was shooting. But I told you anyway. We are going to control. Oh. There is still someone. Who is this? Naumov. Okay. Let's keep him alive. I gave him the name of a neighbor, but the neighbor I gave him the name is a bastard, so I wish he was dead. But I mean, in real life he's dead now. Days. Okay, continue. He's firing at someone. I think it's the one I told you was hard to kill, but it's not really important now. So we go forward. In Russia, sometimes where I live, there is really some places like this, which have. Of course, it's not that straight, but this kind of water coming like this, and directly have beton and shit bridges like this. Yeah, this actually exists. Don't know for Soviet Union, but today in modern Russia it is the case. Then we go forward again. They wait us to come. Here there is a trigger here, so that's why. Here, mega hard battle again. Или Терминатор. So, Pechenyov is still alive? Нихуя себе, Pechenyov alive, бля. Here we have a new friend, it is Sokolov, but I should rename him because, yeah, no, let's keep him Sokolov. For you. Ай, блин, граната. Here there is another PSH but with straight reload magazine from Black Ops 1. Here is an auto mechanic завод, but there should have been a zero from Soviet Union here, but there is no model, so I put random old cars here. Here we go, cruiser, who stayed. Yeah, he's kinda retarded. He's kinda retarded. We have Margunov here as well. He is really cool retard. Okay, we kill this one. Here the enemies have names as well because they are important people and important officers have names. Yeah, here we kill Friedrich Steiner. He's the one who in Black Ops 1 killed people with gas chamber. All this bastards. Oh, thank you. I've been dead. Okay, here before you ask, it's an Easter egg for the zombies, and for the previous level there was an Easter egg with Richthofen, so he survived and actually teleported. But I know how to make the animation, so just an Easter egg. I'm fucking yebuan sometimes. Yeah, here you can't use it, so don't even try. Other Easter egg, you have this pistol here, but most interesting, we have a motherfucking ray gun, блять. Just for the Easter egg, my great grandfather didn't have to see this. Yeah, with Juggernaut bottle and Juggernaut here is Richthofen. The Wunderwaffe is not to be used. Yeah, there is also a flamethrower. It was from this guy. Wait, where is he? Well, I killed him and his body they pop. You can also burn the Richthofen. I'm not sure, but I think you can. Wait. I'm sure you can burn him. Yes, you see? We burned his uniform. Yeah, we go further. Let's take the ray gun. Here, they will not follow us anymore, because here we are full alone now. I mean, yeah, this is reason. We were supposed to go alone. The stairs are kinda shit, so you have to jump and go fast. And we will face this guy. We kill scientists, they have names as well. Well, they annoy me, so let's go. Ты, блядь, сука, сдохни! Okay. And yeah, here you wait a second. I'll put myself in God mode, blade, because I want to show details and all. Okay, here you see number yeah, failed. It's like failed experiments. They were supposed to act like normal zombies, but I know how to script it like this, so they act like normal humans. We kill all these bastards, and here you see all the atrocities made by the Nazi soldiers in Moscow and Russia at all. You see dead chickens, dead people, experiments with dead people who look like zombies. Yeah, and this poor guy who have been stabbed by a net. And yeah, here the power from the zombie mod. But most awful still this thing. Yes, yes, this is the most awful. It actually shows, it is supposed to show the atrocities of the Nazi Germany. Yeah, next, it's over. Here it's supposed to end. There is no script to end because I don't know how to make. I'm shit at scripting, so there is actually no script for it. But it is the end. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching and listening. So see you next time. And this is published. I leave a link of the mod in the description. I think most of you have maybe already played it, so I just show it for the YouTube channel. and next I will show the level that haven't come out yet. Okay, thanks for watching, see you next time.